What's going on, guys? It's Anthony, Wrenched Out Experiment. Today we're going to be talking about the DJI Ronin-S. We're going to talk a little bit about the Phantom, the gear as a whole, some of the new cool features that I discovered, and much more. So you're going to want to stay tuned. Look into this and then... In my last episode on YouTube, I talked about this guy right here, and since rehooking this up and playing with it, some cool things happened. One being that there is a new firmware update which will allow me to use the focus wheel while I use my Canon 80D, which is a huge thing. So if you are unaware, this is a gimbal, electric gimbal. And essentially this stabilizes the camera so I can shoot smooth B-roll shots or really anything. It just smooths it out, especially with my 80D. It does a great job, but you have to have a compatible camera. There's a lot of technical things that go behind it, depending on what it is you're doing. But again, the firmware that just came out supports me to hook the camera up and allow me to use a focus wheel, which is huge because like a camera like this one, where it's just flat, so you just see clarity all the time. It doesn't come in and out of focus. It's a very flat lens. You get what you get, whether it's clean and clear or not. You're gonna get what you get, to where when you get into cameras, whether it's a photo camera used for video or a video camera, you have the ability to change the focus or the depth of field to where I could blur the background out on my hand and a lot of other things. So the exciting part is I did order the cable for that. I should have the new setup and be messing with that in a week or two. In the meantime, I am starting to use it. I'm starting off with the Wrenched Out Garage on some of the stuff that I've been talking about and some of the stuff that I've been doing, which I'm excited for. Put it back in action. I got a lot of cool stuff planned for that. Also, this guy's gonna get charged up. So funny thing about battery operated items, this was fully charged. As you can see, I'm down almost to the halfway marker on those two. So I'm gonna throw those 3 batteries on the charger. There's some shots of my truck for the Wrenched Out Garage I wanna do, and then I wanna start getting back into the drone stuff with the Wrenched Out Experiment, talk you guys through it, and also just start shooting it again. I had such an incredible time getting out and doing it. And one of the things that I realized during COVID is, because I didn't have the drivers and didn't, my focus wasn't on the Wrenched Out Experiment. My focus wasn't on using the drone. My focus wasn't on the Ronin-S. Is both of those items and others that I have were incredible drivers for me to get outside, me to grab the kids and go to places just for filming, and it's pretty nice. So what I'm gonna attempt to do is, again, get the stuff charged up, get the updates. I think there is actually an update for this. I'm not sure what it is, but update the gear, get out, start using it, and try to rekindle that fire, not just from the hardware side, but from the creative side, the capability of getting some of these smooth air shots and getting some of these smooth ground shots, and merging that with the GoPro handheld shots and videos that I've already done. So I'm super stoked about that. So more to come there. I just wanted to do a quick update and let you guys know kind of what I've got going on and kind of the plans for what is to come. So thank you guys for tuning in. I do have a couple of really cool episodes. I want to talk through a handful of important things to me and maybe to you as well. So you're going to want to stay tuned, hit subscribe, share the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.